Rio de Janeiro, a city of life and culture. All you can eat steakhouses.
And my much anticipated acai bowl. In this vlog, we check out the cool sights and neighborhoods of Rio.
Rode our bikes as the sun sets behind the surrounding mountains.
Stocked up on Havaianas. And tried some amazing seafood with carbonara.
Right in the middle of the highway. Just make you feel a bit better about your job.
This seems more fun.
Why? Driving in from the airport, we get a good glimpse of the city and a taste of its landscape with its beautiful white beaches and the surrounding mountains. We're no good for each other. I still wish you good night.
Our hotel had a rooftop with amazing views of Copacabana Beach.
I'm not the one to pull up for you a safe space, and now I show face for you, face for you. I've been out of here ever since the club break. You coming off the bed anytime I sit straight. I'm not the one to pull up for you a safe space, and now I show face for you, face for you. You see Christ the Redeemer right there. Now I show face for you, face for you. First impressions.
He's not.
Miami Beach by larger, right? Walking down Copacabana Beach. And there's something going on. My mission is that at some point play football with the locals on the beach. That is my goal for this trip. What's yours?
My goal is to eat as much good food and acai bowls as possible. And find the best acai bowl.
And make a determination. Are we gonna eat as many different types of acai bowls as we did Char Kway Teow in Penang?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
I missed the Penang.
Is like pickleball in a stand or something? What's going on? I'm seeing a lot of pickleball, a lot of volleyball, but no football yet. What's up with this?
They're practicing over there.
It's a kick volleyball.
Is that a thing? I've
Yeah.
never heard of it.
Sepak takraw is the Malaysian word for it.
Hey, we should have stayed here, dude.
Yeah,
There's a
it looks
Gucci.
nice. Oh, they have a Gucci at right at the.
Can we go in?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, I'm saying it's plus five, plus some like whatever you want to say, really. It can go either way, with or without it.
You haven't really visited Brazil if you didn't check out one of those all-you-can-eat steakhouses, right?
Pat with the shades match. She got a nice smile with the face mask. Folks was hating on me, but more than me. That's how I knew that I was gonna be what I was born to be. I ran me up a dub during quarantine. Troy Polamalu catch and play like 43. I heard the devil wear a Prada on Rockin' Gallery. Yeah.
We're really collecting them all, aren't we?
We are.
Round 2 of eating acai bowl in the South American Mall. Much better?
Very good.
Is this better than the one in New York?
It's the same.
Tastes the same? Alright, we're gonna get a more legitimate, less franchisee version of this. Ready to enter the tunnel? Just like Frodo did before he encountered a giant spider.
I came with the juice like a battery. Chain on my neck, worth a salary. But the way I'm acting, that's why they been mad at me. I put my trust in the game and it was good to me. I spent charisma when I talk to her, she got love for me. She compliment my style of why I call her.
Starting off the next day making coffee the Brazilian way.
She got big lips, leave lipstick on my collar. I'm rocking Margell on my shoes and she wants. I came in the club, smell like Gucci marijuana. They say this and that, but I do what I want.
That's what's gonna wake you up in the morning. Strong as hell. So good.
The sky was blue and the sun was out, and our first full day exploring the city.
The Metropolitan Cathedral of San Sebastião was a sight to behold, both outside and inside.
Throw it back for me. I like it when you're barking, running off the leash. Finally in those better days. Around me I see celebrations, but that don't mean nothing to me. Cause
Did you know that Jesus was homeless at one point? Would have just walked right past him.
can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl. How could I hate you for you?
It was really cool seeing these old aqueducts from the 18th century still being operational today.
Me. When you move it up and down, I like what I see. Jubilee, plain Jane, rose gold, plain Jane.
The Selarón Steps was a great showcase for art and culture of the city.
I'll do anything for you. I'll do anything for you. I thought with $20,000 I was rich. I promised with 10 bands I thought I hit a lick. That shit ain't know the fuck I'm finna do with an M. That shit ain't know the fuck I'm finna do with an M. Yeah, I should've left that girl in magic. I walked in the club, I'm spending money, you can imagine. $1,000 hotel, sleeping with guns under the mattress. 2,000 square feet, and I got racks up in the pantry. I remember opening up and seeing roaches in the cabinets. Now we can go everywhere you wanna go, baby.
I never knew Pharrell Williams and Snoop Dogg traveled together.
They can't make me hate you, they can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl, how could I hate you? They can't make me hate you, they can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl, how could I hate you? For you, it's on me. Baby, let's go uptown, get some
I've never been more attracted to this man.
When you move it up and down, I like what I see. They can't make me hate you, they can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl, how could I hate you? They can't make me hate you, they can't make me hate you. You've been my favorite girl, how could I hate you?
Gandhi's got some friends here in Brazil. This is called the Mahatma Gandhi Square. Very cool. We spent this beautiful evening riding our bikes 8 kilometers all the way to Sugarloaf Mountain.
Something to believe in, you always understand. Am I still reaching?
Our route took us along the beautiful Guanabara Bay.
About what I've been through, these moments lead me back to you.
Smooth ride, take it easy.
You'll always be the way you see it through me every time.
We took a break to check out the local footballing talent. I think I could hold my own against these guys.
All I want is you.
Maybe, if I was 10 to 15 years younger.
It's so surreal to be biking at sunset with Sugarloaf Mountain in the horizon.
Understand, I see it's you and me, you'll always be.
Just past Sugarloaf. Can we make it on time for sunset? We'll find out how fast we can ride.
All I want is you. Everything you do from the outside feels like you just wanna waste all my time. All I want.
Unfortunately, when we arrived, the lines were too long and we would miss the sunset. We could be up there, but instead we're down here eating our churros. We got the, okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. First, you're gonna start with the butter, or margarine, actually. Yeah. And then we're gonna put some, I don't know what's this, but looks bomb. This is a little bit of spice in our life. Makes it oh shit, I lost a bit of corn. Man overboard. Oh, more man overboard. Okay, I'm sorry. You wanna have the first bite?
I say it's you and you'll always be.
Of course, we had to shop at Havaianas in its home country where prices are much cheaper.
Baby, it's you when I let go, don't know how to tell it.
Hey, look, you bought the whole store. The display of dried fish hanging down from the ceiling really caught our eye, so we decided to give this restaurant a try.
Waste all my time, all I want is you.
And we were so glad we did. The food was amazing. It wouldn't be a meal in our South America trip here if it didn't end in pasta.
Actually, why is pasta so common here?
I think a lot of Italians migrated here in South America. Yeah.
Take a couple more breadcrumb things.
Breadcrumb things.
Take a fish bacon. This looks like the perfect bite.
It looks like a perfect bite.
You know, I never knew fish bacon was a thing until now. And like, honestly, I've never tasted a fishy carbonara before, but this is it.
Damn.
It is so unique.
Another bang bang that we're doing. Every time we travel. So saucy. We followed up our bang bang with some ice cream, because there's always space for desserts. Brazil has its own night market. Damn, this place is huge.
On the Uber ride back to the hotel in Rio right now, I want to say I had like the best Portuguese dinner. I had like 3 different types of fishes and like a pasta dish, also fish related. It's really, really yummy.
Never thought carbonara and fish would go well together.
Yeah, which is so strange to me still, but I don't know. Sometimes you find weird things out and you really actually enjoy it. We also got half a pizza and some popcorn. A lot of good discoveries today in Rio.
How'd you feel of Rio? What are your initial impressions?
Just very nice, very chill. A lot of guys with nice bodies. Very active city. Also very vibrant nightlife or just restaurant life. Anyway, hopefully tomorrow will be better weather-wise.
Oh yeah.
Bye. Good night.